Join me as I take on the challenge of installing Python 3.13.0 on Windows 11 in just a few minutes. First, go to your favorite browser, type Python, and press Enter. Now click on the first link and open it. Now hover your mouse onto the Downloads tab. Here you will see the current version of the Python that is 13.0. Click on it and the download will start. Once the download is completed, click on it to install. Here, select the checkboxes related to use admin privileges and add python.x to the path. Now click on Customize Installation. Here I am leaving them as it is. Click on Next. Now click on Install Python 3.13 to all users and click on Install. The installation process will begin, and it will take a few minutes to complete the process. Once the setup was successful, click on the Close button. Now click on the Start icon and type CMD and open it. Now type Python -- version. It is showing our current Python version. This means that our Python is successfully installed. Now we will just do a basic program on Python. For this, click on the Start icon and type idle and open it. Now type print and type your desired output within the brackets and inverted commas and hit enter. Here you can see that our program is executed successfully. Once it is done, you can save the file by clicking on the file and save as. You can see that it automatically selected .py extension. I am naming the file here as test. Here you can see that our file is saved on the desktop. This is how we install the current Python version on Windows 10 or 11. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe button. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye.